the salt and the ice was supposed to make a really good exfoliating scrub. I don't know. I think I have frostbite.
Maybe it's supposed to exfoliate later. Let's watch TV.
Okay.
Now, as you can see here, Ms. Bertrand, the average value theorem states that 1 over the quantity b minus a times the integral from the integral of a to b of f of s gives you the average value of the function on the interval from a to b.
What is this?
I don't know. It's so boring.
I wish I could integrate that trinomial right now.
Oh no. Fup. That is really cool.
I need to get online and eBay that calculator. Derive that equation, girl.
This is just going to be another guilty pleasure Ashley has to hide. Whoa. All the cool boys have calc jokes as their stat eye. What is the derivative of a cal? Prime rib. I wish I was a second derivative so I could investigate your concavities. I should make my status about calculus. Maybe then Paul Katz will go to prom with me. Ring, ring.
Hello, this is Michelle. Is you okay? Is you? Good, because I want to know.
Hey girl, what you doing?
Just drawing giraffe.
Well, you see, I have a date with Derek tonight, but he has his cousin visiting from London with him, and Derek says he needs to get out for a bit after being all cooped up in his house, writing songs on his guitar with his fat, crazy supermodel ex. Wanna come?
They call me Hell. They call me Stacy. They call me Her. They call me Jane. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not...
I gotta go. I have a super important haircut. Over and out. I had fun.
That waiter was so funny. What was his name again? Janathan?
I haven't been on a date with a nice girl in a while.
Why didn't his parents just name him Nathan?
So maybe you could come inside. We can hang out and eat coconut popsicles or something.
Shut up, Paul. I see his lips moving, but I'm just not processing anything he's saying. Maybe I should listen in. Maybe there's something there.
I could totally name them horse and after my childhood cats.
If Janathan peels kumquats at a rate of 6 minus 0.4 x squared kumquats per hour, such that x equals the number of paper cuts he has, then by the time Paul shuts up, the number of paper cuts he has when peeling the maximum number of kumquats is 0.
Well, I'm gonna head on in. If you wanna come, just follow me in. Okay.
Hey, Paul!
Did you change your mind?
I took your wallet.
Well, I got word back from the doctor, and they seem to think I only have 6 months left.
Oh my god. My best friend is telling me she's dying, and all I can think about is calculus.
It's really rough. I'm in a lot of pain right now.
Assuming that Ashley borrowed 7x squared minus 3x plus 16 pieces of gum each year, such that x equals each year we've known each other, I can use a midpoint Riemann sum to calculate the amount of gum I need to steal from her before she croaks.
And I'm probably never going to have kids now.
Assuming that she smiles 2x cubed minus the sine of pi x times a day, such that x equals the number of days after she found out about her terminal disease, then her instantaneous happiness on the day she dies, assuming happiness is measured in smiles per day, will be negative 0.3897.
My love for you is like the derivative of a positive quadratic, always increasing.
If a dementor sucks the life out of you at a rate of 97x squared lifey bits per second on an interval of 0 to 12 seconds, then...
What? Did you hear that? Some idiot was talking about calculus or something.
Yeah, people these days think math is cool for some reason.
You know, it is kind of cool. I mean, I can't lie.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
I'm a little bit upset.
It's all I think about.
I can't get it out of my head.
I think I might get fired.
I'm really glad I'm not the only one who likes calculus.
Can we do some together?
And what's a bag of chips divided by 5? Well, that's a Nike worker's meal. And Santa Claus multiplied by I. Well, I guess that makes him real. And the square root of the NBA is Africa in a box. How do you trace a scatter plot? You give the pencil to Michael J. Fox. Take the approximate moral proportion of the probable problem.